Ahora's Pro Easy Peel Remover has made me loyal to wearing these moving forward because not only are these semi-cured gel nails so beginner friendly to apply and give you all of the pros of wearing gel nails, from very hard nails to longer lasting nails that look professionally done, but with this remover, these are easier to remove for me than most press-ons. And this makes it so simple to take them off without in any way damaging my natural nail. All you do with this is take a couple drops along the edges, and within seconds you can use your orange stick to push underneath and the nail will start coming off cleanly. Just add more drops as needed to make sure the bed stays wet as you're removing the nail. And if you use this consistently and run it through while you're doing it, these really do all come off within seconds. It's such an easy experience. And I also love that this basically has no smell at all. It has a very light, inviting orange scent. I am so impressed with this remover, and it was the one part that I was concerned about with wearing these nails, is that I have damaged my nails quite a bit from using real gel nail polish, and with this, I don't have any concerns. I really can wear this all the time and know that I'm getting a pro nail job without the concerns on the other side. So if you get yourself the Ahora semi-cured gel nails, definitely get yourself the Pro Easy Peel Remover. You're gonna love this stuff.